Always looking to improve and a sucker for a deal. I got something new for the GT4. So I've been looking for a wing. I've been wanting to do the Manti wing, but you got to do the full coilovers and everything for that. And I've been looking for a Club Sport wing, but they're about 7,000 US, so that's not going to happen.
More than you can afford, pal.
So to get a bit more downforce, usually about 15 to 20% more, according to a lot of the calculations.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You're going to see with a gurney flap. I've got a gurney flap. So this is as they're all wrapped in paper. It came really well packaged in a nice big tube. This is an APR Gurney flap for the 981 Cayman GT4. So let's have a quick look and see what we can find as far as an increase in downforce adding a gurney flap.
A lot of boring math later.
So you can see from the ChatGPT calculations, yeah, there's a bit more downforce to be had with minimal drag. That's the beauty of gurney flaps. That's why the Club Sports all have them built in from factory. So what are we going to need to do? Our car is nice and clean. It's not PPF'd on the rear wing. We do have a ceramic coat on here, but we'll just hit it with some wax and grease remover just to wipe off the line, because the flap does come with the 3M tape already on it. You know, APR is pretty decent stuff. And then we'll stick it on. But we are fairly warm, so you want it to be kind of warm where you're working. It's 26 degrees today, and you want it to be nice and warm to be able to get good adhesion. You don't want this flying off. So we'll just give it a little spray and wipe with the cloth. Once on one side, we'll flip it over, spray the other. So it's only for about an inch or so there, but I'm going to make sure the corners are really clean. And then the cleaner edge of the cloth, we'll give it a little wipe to get rid of any residue. There we go, pretty easy prep work. So here's our lip. I'll just peel off all this kind of protective tissue paper that it's shipped in. So having a look at it, yep, the APR is usually pretty decent quality stuff. The weave of this looks pretty nice. And we'll just, and it's rigid carbon. It's not plastic. I deal with carbon at work. That's real carbon. All right, so we're just going to test fit. See how that's going to fit there. Pretty good. So we'll line up what are we going to line up here? It's definitely in the middle. So the tape goes kind of to the back. So I think we'll go with just sort of eyeballing it here, but we've got the angle of the corner could be a little bit better. I'll show you. So that could be a little bit better angle there, and that would have it fit up a bit neater. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to get a sanding block, and I'll sand that down a bit. So we're going to, that way, see there's a gap there. That way it'll bring this in and it'll be able to get it to the trailing edge. So that's what I want to do. I want to get this kind of flush from the top, because that way the tape is going to be completely on the wing. If I go a little bit further back, yeah, the tape's not going to be touching it. There we go. So you can see the red of the tape. So we want a little bit farther forward. I want good adhesion on this. So what I'll do, I'm just going to sand a tiny bit off of each corner and see how that fits. There we go. Sanded a few times. Pretty good now. That still a little bit there, but the big thing is that there's very little pressure on it, so that fits pretty good now. We just need to peel and stick. Okay, there we go. Give it another wipe down, and let's get this in position. So we'll start by pulling up one corner, making a little bit of a tag of it. Then we can just pull it out from the back. Okay, got a little tag hanging out there. We'll start this one in. Just kind of tucks in the little nook there. Just had to sand off a little bit just to get it what I think would be fitting perfect. Okay, now I'm going flush, just using my thumb as a guide with the back of the wing and the gurney where it goes up. And we'll start and we'll pull about 10 centimeters at a time and then push it down. We'll go back over it and put some good pressure on it once we're all peeled off here. There we go, good old 3M double-sided tape. Now, push all the way along. We'll do this a couple times, but that's it. It's on. Looks pretty good. It's definitely decent quality. There we go.